Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the tail light bulb on this Honda Civic Mark 8. This particular model is 2007 and it's the rear right hand side tail light bulb which is blown. The tail light is a bit frosted due to some condensation in it. Location is just here. So it's a double filament push fit bulb. The type is 580. This here is a tail light as well as the brake light. So in order to change the bulb, we'll have to open the tailgate. What we're going to do here is that we're going to use a flathead tool to wedge it here like this to open this cover to gain access to the bulb. Right, here we are. So I've taken the cover off. So this is the bulb we're going to change, which is situated here. So that is the tail light bulb as well as the brake light bulb. So this is the 580 push fit bulb we're going to change. So also I'm going to show you if you ever want to change the reverse light bulb, which is situated here on this Honda Civic Mark 8, or if you want to change the number plate light bulb, which is just here. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do here is we're gonna disconnect the connector from here. So press the clip on the side and then you can pull the connector off like this. Okay, so this is the clip you push down and pull the connector off. So that's the harness connector out of the way. So next what you do is you just hold on to the bulb holder, and then you just twist it anti-clockwise to pull it out. There we go. So this is the bulb. Okay, so just gonna leave it here. So here's our replacement bulb. We got this from our local auto part shop for very reasonable price. So basically you're just gonna pull the old one out, old bulb, nice and easy. Here comes the new bulb. So I'm not gonna touch the lens. So the way I'm gonna fit it is just gonna place it in here and then gonna push it all the way down. So that's the new bulb fully placed inside the bulb holder. So in here it says 12 volt 21 and then slash 5 watt. So the power is 5 watt. Okay, obviously the car is running on 12 volt system. The power is 5 watt. Okay, so just gonna push it once more and then take in there. So you have to line up these grooves into the slot, otherwise if you don't line up these grooves properly it will not go in. So there we go. So just gonna bring it over here. There we go. So just line up the grooves and then twist it clockwise to hold it in place. Okay, so that's the bulb holder fully home in place, and then this is the connector. So just gonna push it back into the slot here like this. Hear the click. So that's the tail light bulb nicely been fitted on this on the Civic. Okay, so coming to the reverse light. So again, same procedure here. I'm not gonna pull the harness this time because we're not going to change it, but this is the type. So this is a again push fit single filament bulb. Okay, so bear in mind this is not 580 type bulb, so this is a different type. So just gonna place it in here like this. There we go. And then just going to show you the number plate light bulb. Okay, so this number plate bulb is same size as the tail light bulb, but single filament here. Okay, which is obviously a different type. This will not be compatible for the tail light, as it's just got a single filament. Okay, so just gonna place that back in here. Nice and easy. There we go. I'm just gonna twist it clockwise to lock in place. So all the bulbs are fully secured now. Okay. So the last thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna fit the cover back in place. So the cover goes in here in this manner. There we go. Nice and easy. Right, here we go, friends. That's the tail light bulb that's been replaced on this Honda Civic Mark 8. Thank you very much for watching the video.